Okay. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm tired. I'm going to be 100% honest. I'm 100% unprepared. I cannot tell you what is the actual description of the scent of the month because I don't remember. I know kind of what's in it. And I can't tell you what the price of this October warmer is because I don't remember. So I'm being honest, but don't worry. I'll post all the information in the next day or two. This is just to show you what it looks like, okay? So let's start with the scent. Next month's scent of the month is Walnut Raisin Muffin. Can't really see it. I don't know what I'm showing you because it's blurry, but that's what it says. It says Walnut Raisin Muffin. I have already made samples of this. Samples went out, and if you're on my mailer list, they went out yesterday. It's not strong. It is a bakery scent, but it is not like killer strong scent. Like some bakery scents will overtake your whole entire kitchen and like everybody walks in and they're like, oh my gosh, what are you baking? It is not one of those scents. It is a lighter end of the bakery scent. And it's not a sweet. Do not think butter pecan or like baked apple pie or sugar cookie. It is not a sweet scent either. It's more deep, more clove. Like more clove and the walnut. And I did not start smelling the raisin until I warmed it. Now, it's a very good scent. It is good. I really liked it. But it's just, don't get it because you think, oh, it's going to be like a muffin and it's going to be like sweet and raisiny. It's not. It is a different type of bakery scent. What is my cat doing? It is a different kind. So think heavier, clove, spicy type of muffin, okay? So Walnut Raisin Muffin is our scent of the month next month. It is good. It is a very good scent. Very fall, very perfect for fall baking type of thing. So now, the warmer of the month, forget it. It is so stinking amazing. This warmer was a warmer in a different region because different regions get different warmers. And when we see them, there are a lot of them that we're like, oh, we wish we had that one. Oh, we wish we had that one. And they do the same to us. Well, we got it. We got this warmer and I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I'm getting there. I'm slow today. I am so slow. All right, let's talk dish. The dish is frosted glass, and it is a 4 cube. Can you see the 4 right there? Right there underneath the word Scentsy. It says 4, so that means it is a 4 cube dish. Again, use whatever you want in it, but that's what Scentsy is recommending. All right. Are you guys ready for this? I don't know. I don't know if you guys are ready. I don't know if you're ready to see it because it's beautiful. It is a little bit more price-wise, even with the 10% off. I want to think, because I don't do math. No, I don't do math. And I don't want to tell you wrong. I don't know what it is. I don't know what the cost is. I don't know. I have been dealing with numbers from all my offers on this house and then the Scentsy fundraiser and all this stuff. I don't know numbers right now. I'm just being honest. I don't know. Ooh. It turned on already. Okay. Are you ready? Do you want to see this thing? I'm thinking Casey might steal it, but. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, so let's break it down. It is a lantern, glass lantern, and it's gold color, metal. You ready? Boom! Okay, so it's got all these little LEDs and they're all scattered about in there. And then it's got the cylinder in the middle, which is silver, so it makes the light reflect kind of off of it. It's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's talk about the rest of it. So on the top, let's look at the lid, because some people don't particularly like lidded warmers, and I always want to show you guys how much scent throw there is. So it doesn't, from there, it doesn't look like there's too much scent throw, like scent holes, but they're actually really big. You can see that this is completely open. It's all open through there. Can you see? Yeah, there we go. So the whole entire top is open, meaning the scent is going to go up and out. It is also, as weirdly enough as it is an element warmer, which usually means no light, because it's this, which is an element warmer. So it is an element warmer, meaning no light bulb, but not in the sense that it means no light, because it's got amazing. Now, one of my teammates, so you know how like these lanterns are really, really popular on Pinterest, and people put like the big bows for the holidays, you know, or the pumpkins and the garland and stuff. She zip tied to the top up here. She did some beautiful ones, and I'll make sure I post them, you know, themed for the fall. They're themed for Christmas, Valentine's Day. So you could totally dress this warmer up with, you know, cute little things off the top. It is enclosed, because that was a question a bunch of people had in the consultant group. It is closed. You cannot get in here and move these around. They are what they are, and I don't think they move. Hold on. Nope, they don't move. So they are in there, and they're in there. That is what they are, and you can't move them. So this is it. What do you guys think? I love it. I don't know if Casey will steal it. She wants to know if it'll fit on her shelf, and I don't think it will. This is I don't know if I can do my makeshift dark room. Let's see if I can. So dark box, you ready? Like, it lights up that box. So it's a very bright warmer. Right, Sherry? Oh my Lord, this thing is stunning. It's really, really pretty. Now, when I post pictures of it, when I post the information about it with the price and all of that, I'm throwing things. When I post all of that information, it's going to look different. It looks different on versus off as far as the coloring of this. In the pictures with it off, a lot of times it's what is called low light and dark light. I think it's low and I think it's dark. It is a gold color, but in the pictures, it looks almost black. When the light is on and the room is dark, it almost looks like it's a black warmer, but it is not. It is a gold. And if you look, it's speckled kind of. Hold on. I don't know if that's called like patina or what. I don't know. I could be making words up. Can you see? See how it's kind of speckled? It is not just a straight gold. So it is kind of I want to say a rusticy, antique kind of look, but I don't know. I could just be making words up after this long day. So it's an amazing, I'm debating. Our whole house needs to be remodeled, and we're doing it piece by piece by piece. And my warmer that I have in my kitchen, I'm not attached to. I like it. It lights up the whole kitchen, and I like it. But I'm not like, oh, I'm not attached to it. It doesn't really go with any theme. I'm kind of like, yeah, it is what it is, kind of warmer. I'm debating on keeping this one, but I don't know. It's so stupid pretty. Who is that? I don't know who that is. That's my husband. So yeah, I'm debating. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to keep it. I don't know what I'm doing with it. But I wanted to show you guys while I actually have just a couple minutes before I go get dinner. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's amazing. And with the cylinder in the middle being silver, the bottom also is silver. So that helps radiate or reflect, I think reflect your light. Yeah, Rachel, I will post those pictures, and they are also, Rachel, they're already in our team page if you want to go look at them, in the album for this warmer. She made like cute bows with like pumpkins hanging off of it and garland hanging off of it for the fall. I think she did like some buffalo check ribbon for Christmas with like some mistletoe, and she just attached it with zip ties to this part up here and had it hang off on the one side. So it definitely gives you some versatility with this warmer to dress it up and make it yours. Change it for each season. Like, possibilities are endless. So there you go. It's like 58 bucks, something like that. I don't remember. I apologize for that. I don't remember what it is, but I'll post the info. You guys will see it. If you need on the pre-order list for this, let me know. This is a very popular warmer. I know I say that to you guys and you're like, whatever. In the consultant groups, we know a month ahead of time of what the warmer is going to be. So we can usually gauge how popular it's going to be on how popular it is with consultants. And some consultants start getting pre-orders for the whole entire month. This one has been on our radar for a little while, as far as we were hoping as a region we were going to get this warmer. So I think it's going to be pretty popular. Remember, you can only order it in October. You're only promised to be able to order it in October. After that, hard saying. But think Christmas, think Thanksgiving gifts if you do that, hostess gifts, things like that. If you want to host a party to try to get it, let me know. But there we are, folks. And that's what it is. It's so pretty. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to hop off, feed my kids, and I have to get back to work. So everybody have a good rest of your Wednesday. And if you have any questions whatsoever about this, let me know and I will help you out. Bye.